Students and parents, I would like to show you exactly what to do with this homework sheet that you get every single day, every single week. Uh, Reading is pretty clear that we know what to do. Math facts practice involves this, okay? So reading is 30 minutes every night. Math is 5 minutes every night. One thing you must do every week is one of these. So you fill in all of these boxes with the multiplication answers. I'll tell you more about that on another podcast, another video. But you can do that for one thing, one per week. You can do paper flashcards. I'm going to be making some for everybody soon. Or you can make your own. You buy some at Dollar Tree or wherever you might find them, Walmart. There are many really good phone apps that I'm going to show you in a moment also. But there are also some great internet options. Okay, so let's go to over here, our class website, which is listed right here. And if you type that into your computer, to your browser, you will wind up at this website. If for some reason this one doesn't work, if for some reason this one doesn't work, then just type this one in here and you'll be fine. Okay, so here we are on our class website, and you see the Math Facts homework link right there. That'll take you here, and I have lots of options for you about how to get better at your multiplication facts, or in some cases, maybe your addition or subtraction facts. You can use the internet, and that is this section right here. You can click on Math Facts in a Flash, which is Renplace. The students should know how to do that. And Academic Skill Builders, FunBrain, or Math Flashcards from FactMonster, and I'll show you each of those. Here's Academic Skill Builders. That's lots of different options. This one here is my favorite. Meteor multiplication, that you can be all by yourself. It's really straightforward. It's a game. You're blasting the answers to the multiplication problem, or actually you're blasting the questions, and you have the answer. These others are multiplayer, a little bit more complicated to get started, but students, I really encourage you to do those. Have your someone at home, or I can show you how to work on them. There it is. It sounds like it's ready. And right here is how Meteor multiplication works. You click play, and I'll do these really quick. I'm just going to demonstrate. Click to play, and my arrows are going to turn I'm turning around with my arrows, and when I want to shoot, see 5. What times what is 5? 1 times 1 is 5. 1 times 5 is 5. My spacebar fires that off. Now what times what is 14? That is 2 times 7. And there it goes. I'm going to turn that volume off. You get the idea there. That is this one. That's my favorite one. But there are many other very, very good options for for addition and subtraction on that. That's just Academic Skill Builders. FunBrain, Math, Baseball, very clear right here. Let's do multiplication, and it works like this. Do not click on any of these. This is not doing your homework. This is off task. Right here is what you want to do. 2 times 2 is, and I'm going to type the number 4. When I click swing, I was successful, and now there my guy is on first base. 1 times 1 is 1. And click swing, and now 2 people are on base, and 1 times 5 is 5. Swing, now 3 people are on base. 4 times 4 is 16. And now you see there are 3 runs, okay? But if we want to go harder, because those are easy, there are several levels. And you remember at the beginning here, there were several levels here. So medium, hard, and super brain. I don't expect you to be that good, but those are the options for FunBrain, Math Baseball. Math Flashcards from FactMonster is another one right here. This is an ad. I want to get rid of that. And just ignore those. So it's set for multiplication here. See that? If you need to work on addition, you just click on this here, or subtraction. You just go level 1 all the way up. It's not multiplying by 2's, but let's look at level 2. Oh, here it actually says one number from 0 to 5, the other from 1 to 10, and 3 times 4 is 12. Answer, and it'll tell you how you do right away. So those are the options for internet working on your math facts. For smartphone apps, I really recommend Flow Plus and Multiflow. I have an iPhone. I'm familiar with these apps. Some of them cost money, but my goodness, these are great. These, I really recommend these. If you're into free ones only, then Math Bingo is a good one. If you have an Android phone, like a Samsung, something that's not from Apple, then these are some good options. You may be able to find other good ones as long as you're working on multiplication facts for at least 5 minutes a day. That's the goal. Not too much, and it's consistent, but it's flexible because work on whatever you need to work on. Down here is down here you can download any of these files to work on just your 2's or 3's or whatever. And if you want to do old school paper. So those are your options for math homework every week.